Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going around Kuala Lumpur and just sort of spending the day. We're going to do some shopping, have a look around, and maybe even throw in a challenge. See how much money we can spend on a day, see what we can buy for a cheap price. What do you reckon? 20 ringgit challenge, see what we can buy for 20 ringgit each?
I'm up for it.
I'm up for it. I'll grab. Right, let's hit it. Now we're in a taxi. We're going to, where are we going?
Central Market.
Central Market to get some food, and there's a really good falafel there as well, and just fancied a bit of falafel. We're going to do a little challenge and see how much money we can buy something really cool for. 20 ringgit, I think we're going for. Yeah, so be there in a second. Right, so we're at Kasturi Walk and Central Market, which is here. And they've got an amazing falafel shop, which is right there. Can we get falafel first? It's the first thing we need.
I'm really hungry. Yeah,
I agree. Right, this is the place, Wrap and Go. This is what we're talking about. Oh, shawarma. I'm so excited for this, it's so tasty. They're annoyed with Ella because her temperature was like 39. I'm guessing that that's just the machine's broken, or she's just really hot. Maybe she's ill. I don't think she is. I think she's just, it's very hot today. Right. We've eaten, we're fed, we're happy. Now we're gonna see what we can buy for 20 ringgit. We're only on 20 ringgit each. We just gotta buy whatever we find. And you guys, tell us what you think. Tell us who you think gets the best thing for 20 ringgit. Put it in the comment section. And while you're thinking about doing stuff on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Little bit of a cop out, but I got some 10 ringgit sunglasses. They're Oakley's. Oakley's. So I'm down to 10 ringgit, but that's I needed sunglasses, so I've got sunglasses. Taking forever now, really. She's just sort of wandering around looking at wind chimes, which are like 600 ringgit. Have you found anything you want yet?
Just wondering.
Stop wondering and just pick. You got what you wanted?
I'm stuck. There's too much choice. Should I get that for the downstairs bathroom?
If you want to.
No, actually help. No, because
Okay. Someone had a rough night. Someone had a really rough night. Half a bottle of wine and her hair's falling out.
Oh my god! That is great.
I've been to this place before, it's the Mingo Cafe.
Maybe they burn the food.
Burnt cheesecake.
That's it,
I wouldn't recommend that. But yeah, so this is like that Chinatown. And there's loads of cool stuff here. Really big tourist destination again. It's one of those places It's like sort of as popular as Koh San Road is to Bangkok. This is sort of like where a lot of the tourists will come to, a lot of backpackers. You can buy cheap stuff. I've lost Ella again. You can buy cheap stuff, you can get stuff to take home. And it's just one of those places that you always end up coming to just to get stuff. So we are now back at the apartment because we're going out for some dinner tonight with a friend. So I'm gonna go and have a snooze.